आज का मेरा टॉपिक कैटालाइसिस एंड कैटलिस्ट के हवाले से है। फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स अबाउट कैटलिस्ट। लाइफ साइकिल ऑन द अर्थ। कैटलिस्ट enzymes participates most part of the life cycle. Examples: forming, growing, decaying. Catalysis contributes great part in the process of converting sun energy to various other forms of energies. Example: photosynthesis by plant, CO2 plus H2O gives us Hc plus O2. Catalysis plays a key role in maintaining our environment. Catalysis का हमारे माहौल को मेंटेन रखने में एक अहम किरदार है। केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज। $2 million annual sale of catalyst, $200 million annual sale of chemicals that are related products. 90% of chemical industry has catalysis related processes. Catalyst contributes about 2% of total investment in a chemical process. What is catalysis? Catalysis क्या है? Catalysis is an action by a catalyst which take part in a chemical reaction process and can alter the rate of reactions, and yet itself will return to its original form without being consumed or destroyed at the end of the reactions. This is one of many definitions. Three key aspects of catalyst action. Catalyst action के तीन मुख्तलिफ पहलू हैं. टेकिंग पार्ट इन द रिएक्शन. रिएक्शन में हिस्सा लेना. It will change itself during the process by interacting with other reactant product molecules. Altering the rates of reaction. In most cases, the rates of reactions are increased by the action of catalysis, by action of catalyst. However, in some situations, the rate of undesired reactions are selectively suppressed, returning to its original form. After reaction cycles, a catalyst with exactly the same nature is reborn. In practice, a catalyst has its lifespan. It deactivates gradually during use. Action of catalyst. Catalysis action, reaction kinetics and mechanism. Catalyst action leads to the rate of a reaction to change. This is released by changing the course of reaction compared to non-catalytic reaction. Forming complex with reactants, products, contributing the rate of elementary steps in the process. This is evidenced by the facts that the reaction activation energy is altered. The intermediates formed are different from those formed in non-catalytic reaction. The rates of reactions are altered, both desired and undesired ones. Reactions proceed under less demanding conditions. Allow reactions occur under a milder condition. Example: at lower temperature for those heat sensitive materials. Action of catalyst. It is important to remember that use of catalyst does not vary del Chi and equilibrium constant values of the reaction concerned. It merely change the pace of the process. Whether a reaction can proceed or not, and to what extent a reaction can proceed, is solely determined by the reaction thermodynamics, which is governed by the value of change in Gibbs free energy and value of equilibrium constant, not by presence of catalyst. In another word, the reaction thermodynamics provide the driving force for a reaction. The presence of catalyst changes the way how driving force acts on that process. CH4 plus 2 O2 gives us 2CO plus 2H2O. Del Chi at 373 is 151 kilojoule per mole at 100 Celsius and negative 16 at 700 Celsius. Del at 100 Celsius, del Chi is 151 kilojoule per mole is greater than 0. There is no thermodynamic driving force. The reaction would not proceed with or without catalyst. At 700 Celsius, del Chi 373 is negative 973 is negative 16 kilojoule per mole is less than 0. The thermodynamic driving force is there, however, simply putting CH4 and CO2 together in a reactor does not mean they will react. Without a proper catalyst, heating the mixture in reactor results no conversion of temperature, no conversion of CH4 and CO2 at all. When platinum and ZrO2 and nickel aluminum oxide is present in the reactor at same temperature, equilibrium conversion can be achieved less than